We are for an eastern brown stuck in some netting. Hey.
Wow, this one's thick.
Oh, it's a red belly, not an eastern. Chunky. I bet you I know where he lives.
Dad, do you want me to go get the scissors?
He's on the phone. Oh.
Do you want me to go?
What have you done?
32. Oh no, he's sick.
That's terrible, isn't it?
Oh, it is.
And by now, all that is make it.
This- Oh, dude. That's him trying to breathe.
Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Yep.
So he's going to need to go to a carer after this.
No worries.
Do you want me to hold his tail
Just
back?
send me that because we're literally about to catch this snake. We're standing in front of it. Alright, no worries, not a problem. Right, bye.
While you do that, I'll just go up and get my hand.
This is going to need a carer. This is so bad.
People were talking over me. You got a live feed going?
I got a hard copy.
Okay, alright. Well, as you can see,
Who's...
if this lady's text come through,
That's terrible.
that
That's some of the worst I've seen.
is really, really bad. This guy's definitely going to need a carer, and there's another eastern brown to catch in Logan Reserve under a slab. They can see it.
Okay, well that's good because that's next to Park Ridge, so I can...
Just drop him off quickly.
One that was training a little bit, not that I can think.
Ooh, it smells.
Yeah, no, he's been trapped in this for a long time.
What does?
You alright with that?
Yeah, no, that's not good. He's in a real bad way.
Oh my gosh.
Make sure. Yeah, be careful doing that.
What I'm going to do is
See how you-
get rid of all these bigger ones.
No, that's bad.
I'm so sorry, sweetheart. Yeah, I think even if you wanted to bite me, you wouldn't be able to find your teeth, would you?
No, but still, it's not.
It's just the
Risk it?
theory. Just theoretically.
It's his head between these two, isn't it? Yeah.
These two, there's none there.
No.
That's the last.
Oh, you sure?
Ugh.
Nope. Yeah, that's got to be sore. There we go.
Told you it was the last. You can let it.
Oh, that does not look good at all.
You poor thing.
This netting, guys, if you ever got this shit running around your yard, throw it out. It's bad for all
I'm
wildlife.
so sorry, sweetheart. So bad.
Anyway,
Jensen, do you know how to
good
shoot the camera?
afternoon, Tony Harrison.
Still going?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. That's terrible. It really is terrible. Move it away. That is so bad.